So here's question number 19, which says find the month the highest sale was made. So again there are two key terms here, the month and the sale. So the question which holds the quantity and the number values is the sale tab. We need to keep an eye on the sale tab because we will first select the sales tab just like we did earlier. So drag the sales tab and we need to format it because it is a currency. So we will format it to show the currency values. So here are there is a filter selected. I will just remove it. Alright, so what you should get is this $2.3 million sales amount. Alright, so we need to find the month the highest sale was made. So I've already told you earlier that I have created these columns by calculations which stores the month values and the month names. Alright, so we need to find the month the highest amount of sale was made. So we will drag the month name onto the sales tab. Here we have a visualization, but it is not much interesting or visually pleasing, so we will change it to a column visualization. So here we are presented with the sales in each month. So the question said the highest sale month. So we can easily sort it in descending order, or you can also sort it in ascending. So we are shown that the highest amount of sale was made in November. Alright. If you need to know how much sale was made, we can easily modify this show value labels, and we are clearly presented here that the month of November has produced about $352,000 in sales. We can make this text bigger. So here are the sales value by each month. We can see the lowest amount of sales were made in February and the highest were made in November. Alright, so this is a very simple question.